Ah, yeah, yeah. Thank y'all so much for coming to my grand opening. I'm sorry I ain't put y'all on earlier, but it was so hectic. It was just me, so y'all know I'm moving around, but it's slowed down now. I'm here at the food cart, the food truck, the food trailer. That's the store. Huh? Huh? Booba? Nah, Booba already left. Nah, and he ain't coming back. He left. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah. This is where it's all going down now. I've been chefing it up, cooking grease, fryers, waffle makers. I've been over here chefing it up, so I'm kind of tired. It still smells like fish and chicken up in here. You got me hungry, candy.